What's good, y'all? It's your boy Little Roy, aka Little Roy TV, and we back with another video. This one is for the personal, so yes, you will get a picture of me trying them on for the first time. And yeah, I recorded a little video to show you guys. So you see the title, you see the thumbnail, you see the box. Oh shoot. Yeah. So let's get into this new video. Is one of the packages, like the New Balance 2002 R, all that. It's all that confusing stuff. You know, New Balance has a whole bunch of numbers and letters and all their stuff. So obviously, I'm gonna know by the time I edit this video and post it. But definitely this is for personal. So this is not a resale. So we could go over the details and how I feel about the shoe and everything. And yeah, if you're new here, subscribe to this channel, subscribe to my other channel. Also follow me on Instagram. Obviously it's popped up, so follow me on my Instagram. Go show some love over there. If you're also new here, comment any questions or whatever else you got to say. I respond to all comments. What else? Yeah, so let's get right into the video. This shoe dropped, I'm gonna say, like in boutiques, and they started to now make their way to stores. So the store didn't have it. It was only like an online only. So I ordered it, and then it took a couple of days to get here. So eventually, I finally got it. It literally came in the mail like a couple hours ago as I'm filming this. So I wanted to lace them up, so I laced them up because I'm always excited to lace up personals. So I laced them up, and I'm gonna show you guys right now. So let's get into the video. Don't forget, you know, subscribe to these channels. Alright, let's get it. Alright, so off rip, obviously it's a New Balance shoe. Typical, regular gray box. It's a size 9. You can see it right there, because I got a personal everyday sneaker that I wear now that is beat up now. The other New Balances I have, the gray ones, and I got those in a size 9.5. Because usually in sneakers, I'm a true size 9.5. Only Jordan 1s I wear 10, and Dunks I wear 8.5. So the 9.5 I got in the New Balances, they fit big still. So luckily, when I went to buy these online, I bought it from a store. They had size 8, 8.5, 9 left, and I was like, oh shoot, buy the size 9. And when I bought the size 9, I went back just to check on the website, and it was sold out. So I guess I bought the last size 9. And then eventually, I think right now they probably only have a size 8. But you just gotta look for these. They're in different boutiques, you gotta check your stores. I don't know what stores are by you. And you also gotta check online, because some sizes, some colorways are sitting. If you didn't know, they dropped the orange colorway, which I think is the most hype colorway because it's the most limited. Post a picture of the orange one right here, boom. And then I think they dropped a gray one, and then now they dropped the one that I got. So no further ado, let's get it. I just had the paper out because obviously, whatever. Ta-da! Yo, where's the fucking shoes? Not playing. I just don't want to put them back in the box. I just wanted to do that little dumb clip. But obviously, this is the box. Put that right there and grab the shirt. Just put on the side just to trick y'all a little bit. But boom. Ooh, let's get that quick thumbnail since we already got the shoe right here. Boom. First of all, I do have to make this a little loose. I didn't know how loose I gotta make it. I just put them on, like I said. I'm gonna insert the video right now. So, like I said, or showed you guys, I have to definitely take it out and relace them because it's way too tight. I have to stuff my whole foot in there. This is the blue, navy blue, ocean blue, whatever type of blue you want to call this. I forgot the exact colorway on this. Let me see if I can read off the box if they have in the colorway. They calling this it doesn't even say. It literally says Classics Traditionals. The fuck? Doesn't it supposed to say a colorway? I don't know. But obviously you can see it for yourself. It's a navy blue with another pattern of blue. First of all, this shoe is fucking fire. It was funny because some chat I was a part of, well, I'm not past tense, was a part of. Some chat I am a part of, they he had someone in there posted, oh, should they grab this colorway or the gray? Because I guess they was at a store that they did like a first come first serve type of drop. And yeah, and he was asking people what colorway should he get, and I was like, yo, get the blue, that's not even a question. And because he posted it and I like seen it, I literally said, yo, if I could get him my size, I'm gonna get him. And because he posted it, because of this fire, I literally copped it for myself. Now, one thing I could say about the shoe, all this damn shredding of boxes and paper stuck to this material. But one thing I could say about the shoe, I'm gonna post this right here and leave that there. One thing I could say about the shoe, I do like the small end that they have on this. It doesn't look too big on these. For some reason, I think New Balance have like bigger ends, but this is a great, not too big of an end. I like how it's like knitted. You can scratch it so you can feel that that's knitted. So that's definitely perfect material right there. Just the ripping of the material on this colorway is just insane to me. This blue with the navy blue is crazy. It's probably one of the best New Balances to me. That's fire. And they're not going for too much on resale. And personals, they're just selling out because they got people like me that are actually just buying them. You get what I'm saying? And it does, one thing people might not like is they got, I know Jordans and sometimes Dunks or Zooms, Jordan Zooms have these, the foam with the, in the tongue. But based off how they have the material on the front of the shoe, the foam really doesn't stick out and be all doofy how most shoes would be. Inside, of course, you got the regular New Balance logo in there. They have the foam in the back. Is my phone ringing? Yes, it is. All right, give me 1 second. Get it? That's why I never stop filming. I could just cut it and go back into it. So like I said, they got the little foam like on the tongue and the back showing. And to me, that was like, ew, why is it just poking out right there with a yellow type foam colorway? But it doesn't matter. It's like whatever. I guess they want to show the interior colorway. So it's more like, you know, they just want to show that off with their stitching, at least to show a little flavor. Because they could have just covered it and made it navy blue, or worn the other blue, or white, or black. I don't know, gray. I don't know. But that's probably the only thing I probably would complain about, but it's really nothing. You know, throw my pants on, it doesn't matter. Like I said, the stitching with the little hints of blue sticking out from the toe, the sides of both, and then you throw it on the top heel, by the ankle, on both. It's a solid shoe. I love how it's navy blue based, and then you throw in those hints of blue. You throw on some pants, track pants, jeans, whatever you wear, whatever you want to wear for your fit. And then you throw on whatever you want to wear on your top, and you're good to go. This is a fly shoe. This will not be an everyday New Balance shoe. This is literally for hype. And not hype. This is literally for, like, dress nice. It's like actually for a personal collection. I'm not going to wear this and just mess it up. You know, New Balances are comfortable, but this is straight to get freshened. And then I like how they got so much hints of the end. So you got the end right there. You got the end on top. Of course, you got the end back right on the sides. And then, of course, they got the New Balance. You can see it right there in the back. Can't really see it, but it's embroidered in the clear right there. Now, to me, if you look at it while I'm speculating myself, it looks like it's dirty or it's cracked or has glue stains, but I think that's the type of material it gives and what they do, because it looks like it's dirty, or just the color and the material of the shoe. That's how they give it. It looks like ashy on the bottom. But that's literally how it comes. See? So both of them is on it. And just in case you didn't know, oh yeah, and they got some New Balance, I guess, energy type of font on the bottom. It spells it out. I don't know if you can see it, but it's there. And then yes, you have the 2002R. However, whatever they label their New Balances right there, you can see it. I'm gonna show you right here how it looks on the front. Looks like amazing, beautiful shoe. Beautiful shoe. They definitely did their thing on this pack, and I'm so glad I was able to touch it for retail, and I don't have to pay for the high, because I literally said it, like, this is one of the shoes that it's an ignorant purchase. Literally, I got this early for my birthday present. My mom bought it for me, and I told her just buy it off the website, because the lady in the store gave her a free coupon code for shipping. So I said this is going to be an early birthday present from her, because I want these, and I don't want to put the money on me. But yeah, why does it look dirty? You see what I'm saying? Like how ashy or something. Look at the back heel. I don't know if you could tell, but it just looks dirty, but it's not. You know what I'm saying? That's just how the shoe is made. Ashy looking type of vibe. But yeah. So like I said, I got this early for an early birthday present. I didn't want to spend my own money. And I was literally saying, hey, if I cop it and it's not sold out, then I'll buy it. I'll have it. If I would have went to the website and it said sold out, then I would have just left it alone. Even though I did find another website that had a full-size run, because they dropped their New Balance pack today, I think. They did have a size 9, 9.5, 8, 8.5, 10, 10.5. So I could have got it again. But for me, once it would have sold out at one website, I thought it was dropping, it was exclusive to that boutique. Or at least boutiques are certain, like, it was going to be rare, because the last pack they dropped sold out fast, and it was only, like, limited to certain stores. So I didn't do my research. I didn't even know they was dropping, because just like Yeezys, New Balance, Dunks, whatever they drop, kind of random time. So I didn't know. So even though they would have dropped multiple places, I would have just gave up on the first boutique that sold out. So if they would have sold out on their website, I was like, all right, fuck it. Then I won't get it, and I won't look for it no more. But I got them. I guess it was meant for me to get them, because when I checked the whole day that I did order them, the size 9 was there. So I guess it was made for me to get it. I already have an idea of the fit I want. So if you want to see the fit at some point, I am going to do a lot of photo shoots coming soon. It's just I'm working on so much stuff. I have a big announcement coming soon. So like this video, comment, subscribe, share on both channels. This channel, the other channel, my Instagram, show some love over there. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching. Your boy Little Roy's out. Peace.